and parents and students. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. As we come to the end of this annual function, celebration 2024 and 25, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made this event possible. First and foremost, I would like to thank Sri Paramapuja Dr. Mohan Guru Swamiji for your presence. Thank you, Swamiji. I would like to thank our guest of honor, Iranna S. Tupad sir, for your gracing this occasion with your presence. Your words of encouragement and inspiration have meant a great deal to us. Thank you, sir. I thank you, our respected chief guest, V.S.V. Prasad sir, for taking the time to join us today and for your inspiring words. Thank you, sir. To our esteemed guests, Surya Narayan Arji sir, Manjunath Lotimad sir, S.V. Patil sir, Basavaraj Gabbur sir, for your presence. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank another guest, Suresh Gokak sir, Sunil R. Kammar sir, Mr. Narayan sir. Thank you for your presence. I would like to special thanks President of our school, Dr. Raghavendra Govindapnava sir, for his support, vision and commitment. I also wish to express my gratitude to Vice President of our school, Mrs. Lakshmi Sadavarti Madam. Thank you, Madam. And Secretary of our school, Mrs. Nagaratna Govindapnava Madam. Thank you, Madam. A special thanks to our respected Principal, Santosh B. Halgeri sir, for your unwavering leadership and dedication to our school. Your vision, guidance have been the driving process behind the success of this event, and we are truly grateful for your continued encouragement. And I would like to special thanks Karthik sir. A special thanks to our society members, well-wishers and parents for your unwavering support and cooperation. As no program can become successful with a single person, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our teachers and staff members for your hard work, dedication and teamwork.